Wispr Flow is an AI app that allows you to turn speech into polished writing. And I have been using this tool for a couple of months now, and in this video I will give you my honest review and breakdown of this tool as to whether this is worth it or not. And if you like what you see in the video, make sure to click my link in the description. You support the channel if you sign up, and I will earn a small commission at no cost to you whatsoever. But this is an honest review, not a sponsored video in any way. And I have actually used this, as you can see, 112,000 words dictated during the past 2 months. So this has been on my use every single day. So now let's get started with the video. And the setup is ridiculously simple. So all you need to do is head over to whisperflow.ai and click on Get Started on your device. And then you're going to install it, and you will just need to specify which key you want to use to dictate, and that's literally going to be it. And for example, right now, I have set this up in such a way that when I hold down the Control key, it will turn everything I speak into text. So just an example, if I want to respond or reply to an email, I can open up my Gmail, I can go over here, and then I can hit Control, and now whatever I say will be turned into text. So let's do it like this. Hi, and thanks so much for your message. I will come back to you later today. Thanks so much for reaching out, and have a good day. But as you can see, it was able to pick up on everything, even though I was talking very fast. And that is also what I really love about this tool, is that you don't need to speak to it like this. Hi, and thank you so much. But what you can do instead is you can just say, hi and thanks so much. And it will still pick up on what you just said. And also what I love about this tool is that it actually fixes the order of your words in your sentence. So if you're speaking out loud off the top of your head and not paying too much attention to what you say, which is what I basically do every time, you're gonna do some incorrectnesses in your speech. And Whisperflow will take care of that. So let's try something like this. Hi, this means not that, this does not mean that I don't want to do the collaboration, but I'm just too busy right now. Sorry, guys. And as you can see, I was doing all kind of nonsense and weird words, but the AI still picked up on it perfectly. So this does not mean that I don't want to do the collaboration, but I'm just too busy right now. Sorry, guys. So that was exactly the message I had. But the rambling I did in the intro did not make it here, because the AI is clever enough to pick up on the fact that that was a mistake. And speaking of fixes, the AI also formats your text nicely. So let us send a message where I want to include a list of actions to take. So let me hold down the Control and let me start to dictate. Hi guys, so here's what we need to do. First, let's have a call. Then, let me send you the topic. Then, you can accept or reject. And then, let's get to work. And as you can see, the AI directly formatted this in the exact way I would have done. So, you have some space over here, then you have the colon followed by this list. So the AI picked up on the fact that I was trying to create a list to my email without me doing that separately. So you don't need to worry. You don't need to think that, okay, Whisperflow will turn speech to text, but it will add everything one after another in a boring fashion. No, that's not true. They are going to do all the formatting as well while fixing all these mistakes at the same time. So this is pretty complete a tool. Then something I really like about this tool is that it actually learns as you go. So it's not just turning speech into text, but you can actually see that it is correcting words and doing some dictionary fixes. So if we open up the application and if we go to the dictionary section, you can actually see a custom dictionary of words that you have over here that the AI is commonly fixing and that you have commonly used, and the AI knows that you're using, that these words basically belong to your everyday vocabulary. So for instance, I have talked about ArcAds, which is an AI company that I have worked with. I've talked about Higgsfield, OpenArt, Seedance. These are all words that the AI did not nail at its first attempt, but then as it saw me using this multiple times and correcting these, it actually learned to fix this. So now if I say something like, let's use C dense, the AI immediately knows that it doesn't type in something like C and dense or C dense or something, but it's going to use the C dense. So this is pretty amazing. So it is actually customizable in a sense that once you have used it for a while, it will learn the vocabulary and words and nouns and everything that you use, and it will fix those weird ones or weird sounding ones into the correct ones. So it will actually improve once you use it. And then also from the dictionary, you can go to the snippets section, and here you can create a snippet so that whenever you say a specific code word or phrase, the AI will replace that with something else. So for example, my email address will actually turn out to be this one. So if we go back to the email, and if I now press Control and I say my email address, it is actually not going to type in my email address, but it's going to directly add my actual email address. So this is pretty amazing, and you can do this for however long message you want to. For instance, if you have a lot of people reaching out to you related to collaborations or something, you want to schedule a call with them or anything, you can just create a snippet, for example, like, let's say, default outreach response, and then the AI will type out, let's say, a 100-word email that you're going to send. So that will save you also a ton of time. And then, if I'm brutally honest, those are pretty much the only features that I'm using in Wispr Flow. So you have the note taker, but I haven't really given it a try. I don't really use the style or the transforms feature or the scratch pad. So sorry about that, this is not going to be that complete a review, but I think that the features that I showed you were the ones that actually matter, and those are the ones that actually save you a ton of time. So when you're writing emails, when you're writing prompts, this is an absolute game changer. And speaking of that, you don't really even need to use the application ever if you don't want to. So as long as it's just open, so you can click on the crossover here and leave it to process on the background, as long as you have it that way, you can always press Control or whatever shortcut key you have specified to turn your speech into text. So that's one way to use it as well. And the pricing is pretty straightforward. So you have the free trial, and actually I started with that as well. And when I hit my limit, it was a no-brainer to upgrade. And if you do the annual plan, you're gonna get it for 12 euros or something like $12 to $15. And that will give you unlimited dictation. So you can use it as much as you wish for just $12 freaking dollars per month. Now I will run some numbers to show you how good of an investment this has actually been thus far. But then let's talk about whether this will save you any time or money. So if you actually open up the Wispr Flow application and you go to the Insights tab, you're going to see your usage. And here it is saying that on average I do this speech to text about 161 words per minute. Here you can also see how many fixes it has made, how many words it has corrected, how many dictionary fixes and such. But then most importantly, we'll show you the total words dictated during the entire lifespan of this application on your device. And as you can see, I have been using this for a bit over 2 months right now. And if we go and if we take this number, that is the total words dictated during this time period, we're actually going to do some calculations because this app doesn't show those by default. So if we take that number and we assume that if I would have typed all that in, I would have had an average typing speed of 50 words per minute, which is kind of a general direction as the internet suggests. And then you have the total typing time, that would be about 2,257 minutes, which is about 37.6 hours. So this is basically just dividing these words typed with words per minute and then converting that into hours. But this is not a maths lecture, so just please trust me on these numbers. Then, based on what the app told me that I am speaking at this pace, this is almost 3 times faster, or actually even more than 3 times faster than an average typing speed. So there you can already see that I'm gonna be 3 times faster, but let's quickly run the numbers. So the total speech time would be a bit over 3 times faster than these 37 hours. So it will be 11.7 hours, and that will leave us time saved about 24.9 hours. And for example, for my work, I am approximating that my time is worth a bit more than $100 per hour. And if that is the case, this means that during the past 2.5 months, or a bit less than that, I have saved over $2,500 for just $12 per month, which is absolutely insane. So this is why this tool is my absolute favorite. Obviously, when I type in, I'm not going to be able to send the message or use what I have typed in as is every single time. But it is very, very close. So I would say like maybe 97-98% of the time, I don't have to do any tweaks. I can just use it as it is because this tool is so freaking accurate. I wasn't using a tool like this before because I thought that it would be closer to, for example, how the dictation feature works in iPhone, which is absolutely terrible. So I wasn't really having it. But when I tried it, it was actually freaking insane. And the fact that this is also correcting the words that I'm using makes it even cooler, because sometimes when I speak off the top of my head, I might say some words in a very confusing order or in a very confusing way. And this app also fixes those on the fly without me having to pay attention to that. And now, if you want to support the channel, make sure to click my link in the description to sign up to use this Flow Pro or Wispr Flow. That way I will earn a small commission at absolutely no cost to you. And if you don't want to support it, don't worry, you can just go directly to the Wispr Flow website by typing in whisperflow.ai. Nonetheless, that's it for this video. This is my favorite tool. It is really useful, ridiculously easy to set up, ridiculously cheap, and saves you a ton of time if you're writing, for example, emails or AI prompts that take you time every single day. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.